Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to a new video. And in this video I'm gonna show you my trading journey and we're gonna give a daily market outlook and yeah, I'm curious. Currently we're on USD GPY, just searching for an opportunity. Maybe it's there. And let's go back first to the higher time frame a little bit. As we see in this last leg, the market is trending up. And also right here, we took out liquidity. We set a new low. We go over it. And yeah, I'm just looking for potential more upside. Because in this leg, we are uptrending. So here we see our last leg up. And from there, we're actually just waiting for a new opportunity to go long once again. And as we see some liquidity over here, this area. We have a low around here, so we could either cover this, but I think it is just enough to cover here because I'm always aiming a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So this is something I am going to wait for. Same yesterday, we just tried to scalp just a little bit, and we saw USD cat, and we are also uptrending, and I still expect to take these highs out, these highs over here. That's something I'm still expecting. And we took maybe a little risky trade because we also have to do our scalps because we have an Alpha Pro funded account. So we took out liquidity underneath this area here. Of course, we have more bumps in the road. This and also here. But for me, it's not really necessary to retrace all the way in there. It could be, but internally we have already our change here. Maybe a change of character a little bit. So we traded underneath this liquidity lows. So what I'm just waiting for is to create more upside and to target this high here. For me, that's a nice opportunity. Same time, we touched in our below our 50 from the high, and on the lower time frame, you can actually see that we also took out some liquidity lows over here. Is it the best rate? I'm not too sure because it have to be a low time frame one. If it was a higher time frame, maybe we could cover the low over here. This was a lower time frame kind of trade. We saw this kind of momentum over here, and then we placed our entry like here, maybe a bit too aggressive because I thought, okay, this is sticking out. We have a strong reaction, but now the price is kind of ranging a little bit, and there could possibly more. Well, on the 15 minutes, so we are below our 50. We're still in a discount, by the way. We took out some liquidity over there. This can also be something like a demand zone. So we'll just wait patiently. The trade might be too tight. Honestly, I am aiming for 1 to 3, of course. And yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen with this one. We also will just place an alert. If this goes off, we might have a take profit. But other than that, we just take it easy. then we go to gold. Gold is kind of trending lately, trending upwards. I'm just gonna take a look into some last push, and this have been a last low. This could be our high. And there is liquidity underneath here. So maybe what I would love to do is to take out that liquidity and target this high. There's this other bump in the road. This obviously is a very clean setup, I think so. But there's always a problem if you trade small accounts. You cannot even trade this with this amount of pip size lot. So maybe just have to wait till the price will get here. So that's our plan for gold, just trending. USD, Swiss franc, we missed this trade yesterday. We thought, okay, we can go in, just wait for the retrace here, but it didn't came. And obviously I was also scared just to enter market because I didn't know where to put my stop loss. But it's played out very good. So yeah, that is what it is. So right now we're just waiting for this is an old trade, but I didn't trade it. So USD JPY, this was the setup. So we're currently just waiting for this, and we'll see what's gonna happen. And if we're lucky, this might play out, but I don't want to count on it. Waiting for gold, waiting for USD JPY. It's just gonna be a game of patience. And what we just did, actually, we entered this trade on Euro GBP, and yeah, we'll see what's going to happen, because we are in a market trending up, and there is still a lot of liquidity here to take out, and we are far below our 50. We took out this liquidity here, and we had a beautiful area of demand where we go long from. So that's actually what is our plan. Don't know if play out, it could be. And yeah, there was not really space to take an how you say, an scalp, so we didn't took it on our funding account. So thanks for watching, and this is just to keep myself accountable, making my daily videos, and see you in the next one.